Yes, hello everyone, welcome back again to this video, and welcome back again to No Max TV. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling pictures. You can be selling pictures and make money online. So it is as other jobs or other ways of trading, selling online. What you need is the information and how you can be doing this, where you can be doing this. That is what I want to be talking about in this video, and also see how you can be doing this. So if you have any kind of artwork that you can be able to make, if you have any kind of designing skills that you can be able to design new things, which is going to be making the beautiful situation in somewhere, that is where you can start also making money online by selling your pictures, your artworks. So subscribe to this channel TV today. I like this video, share this with your friends. If you have any suggestion, comment, leave it in a comment section. Without wasting time, let's get started. So the platform that you want to be using also is called Etsy. If you have never sold anything on Etsy, that is where we can also proceed and explore it. So let's type Etsy in our browser. So when you talk about Etsy, that is an e-commerce company, and also it's American based. So this platform support both selling also. You can sell anything and you can purchase anything from there. So let's try to explore the site. If we explore the platform here, and for example we come here to this one. Let's for example type pictures. So if I type pictures, that is where I'm going to be searching for the pictures. I can search for the pictures and see how many people who are selling pictures on this platform, how many people who are selling pictures on Etsy. So here is the pictures with the frame. Here are the pictures: personalized, couples, printable, vintage, custom line drawing. As you can see, they are all having our amount of money they are costing. You can see this a picture as well, which is costed 25.57 USD. You can also see those are all kind of pictures. You can see they are pictures, and they are costing 3.50. Those are all about artists. Also, these are pictures. As I was telling you, that if you have any kind of artwork or artistic skills that you can be applying, you can be making an artwork like this one and also be making money, which is also very great. If you have a talent in something, if you have a potential in something, you don't need to be quieting and also say that I cannot use this for profiting. So for example, let's type pictures for gift. If I search for pictures gift, gift, that is also about the pictures that you can use to provide as a gift to someone. For example, this one is included, digital custom couple. So as you can see, those are all pictures. Depends on the customization, personalization, also depend on what you want, what you are interested, and everything. From this you can also be able to make money. Now let's see how you can be able to get started with this platform, get started creating, setting up your shop, and also making money on this platform. What you need to have an active email as well. You need to have that talent you are saying. You need to have everything that you are going to be doing. Also, you need to have a product that you'll be selling. That includes, if you have artworks, you need to be able to produce more artworks that will be selling on your shop. Also, you need to have a clear images, clear pictures of your artwork. For example, as you can see here, we have this one. this is showing a clear images from the artwork. You cannot figure out that it has been made by someone with someone's hands or anything else. That is very great, because you can be able to see also what you want also to be selling, and also the client or the audience who want to purchase your stuff, your artistic work, your pictures and others, will be able to observe and see also clearly what you are selling, which will attract and motivate them to purchase your things. So to be able to start now, you have to come here. You can click on login. Also you can click if it's the first time you come here, that is why you are going to be clicking on register. You can choose to register with Google or Facebook or Apple. It all depends on the account you have. Let's register with Google and continue. So you can see now, once I click register with Google, I automatically proceed to the platform, to the marketplace. That is where you see that I have also go to the marketplace. From here, as you can see, I have the notifications. You can be reading. This is my first update, because it's my first account that I'm coming with here. That is also the account, and from this account you can see I have selling options. I have a selling option here, which is sell on Etsy. So what I need to do is that I need to click there and also proceed. That is the reason why I'm creating an account, and also what account I'm creating is for selling purpose. Is not normal, the usual one. If it's the usual one I have now, I can be using it to sell a product. But if it is not a normal one, that is where I don't need to be I don't need to be staying with the current features. I need to sign up or to register for selling on Etsy. Now I have to click on get started, which is here. So once I click on get started, I have to proceed with the next steps. Get started. So then I click next steps. So once I am done, I have to click on let's do this. You can be able to read these ones. So if you want, now I click on let's do this. So then I come with the next one. What brings you to the Etsy? You have to answer the questions. Depends on your preferences, depends on what is going to be inspiring you here as well. If not, you have to skip the question and proceed. So is there anything you like to help with? You have also to tick any option that you need here, either selling internationally, marketing. Once you click any option of this, you can explore more about this. So you have also to, now it's the time to it's time for the fun part. So we walk through creating. Now this is the time you have to create your shop, start your shop as well. So you are done everything, and also you need to come here and set up your shop, which means the information, the details are going to be providing here are all about your shop. So now let's click on start your shop. If we click start our shop, now that means we're going to be starting our shop. So as we are done now here to start our shop, what you are going to do is that we are going to come here and select the countries and the currencies that we are going to be using. So here there are countries. Also you need to find whether your country is listed among the countries which are here. I can see there are few countries, and also you need to choose how many countries which are here, and choose whether your country is listed among these countries. If your country is not listed here, also that means it might be hard for you to do anything. So once done, you have also to click here on save and continue. Once done choosing the country, you can see they are saying here that I have to choose the country. I have to select the countries and also go to the next phase. Once I'm done with the next phase, I have to choose the name of the store, for example GTA. Then as you see, they are telling me that the store has been already taken. and they are suggesting me with this one. I can be choosing this one. Once I'm done this one, I have to hit on next, save and continue. So you can see now I'm onboarding phase. So I'm onboarding and querying. So here what you need to do, you need also to proceed with this one. Here you have to add as many as the photos you can, so that buyers can be seeing the photos which are displaying on your store, your shop. So they are telling you to add pictures. Here you can see style, decision, variations, size and scale, in use. So here they are telling you everything you have to do so that your pictures are going to be displaying well. For example, they are on the primary photo. You see, you need to add a full photo of it, of your items, full photos of your items. For the every angle, they are telling you to also change. You can see here they are telling you to change every angle and also try to photo both sides, to take photos of both sides of the product, so that people will be able to see how those products look like when they are being also turned on the side, behind the other eyes. So here there are details. You need also to take pictures with details, and also here those are in use. If they are being also held by people, also you can take the size and the scale. You can take the small photos, the big ones at the same time showing here. You can also take the stylizations. You can also take the variations of the product, how they are different, how they are varying. And also once you are done, so here you are setting up, well, you are creating your listing. That is where you create a listing. I think you can see how you are going to create the listings. So now here there is a video. Here you have to add maximum file size, which is 100 MBs. This is the video where you can be able to add the video for your items, and also this is going to be helpful for you if you want to be proceeding. And also the video is always important to demonstrate how the product works. Now you have to add the title of the product. Here is the title. Include the keywords that buyers would use to search for your item. That is why you need to include the keywords in the title. Also include about listings, who made it, or if you are the one, select finished product or supply tool. Now you need to change everything. When did you make it, and also when did this product happen. So as we can see, you need to choose the category, either manis, quote, whole pairings, or hanging, everything you want. Now this is the renew options. So to be able to sell on Etsy, you need to be able also you need to pay 0.20 USD. Also this is also expiring. Now it's expiring at the time of renew, and also you need to choose that it will be renewing automatically or manual. If it's manual, it's okay. Now this type of this means that you will be the one to renew it once the subscription or the listing ends. So the type is also whether physical product or tangible one. You need to select which type. Now you need to add the description of the product. So the description of the product, we are meaning that photo or that artwork you would have made, how you add description of your item, your pictures, your artwork or product, so that people can be able to purchase them. Now you need also to add a description so that people will read more about the product. And also you need to add here the tags that are important for your search. Now either materials, now inventory, how many, this is the price of the price of your product, this is the quantity of your product. As we have seen, this is the price, and you have to come and put it here. The maximum, which is 50 USD, 1,000. Here you need to add the quantity, either 15, you are selling 16. Now if you have SKU of the product used for also identifying the product, you can add it. If your product is consisting of variations including the colors, sizes and the others, that is where you need to add them. Now this is personalization, where you want to collect personalized information so that you'll be able to send the info to have also the analytics of the buyers or the customers who prefer our product. Now these are shipping prices. Either you can choose to enter your shipping price automatically. You have to choose the zip code here and also add the shipping. Also you can choose the shipping. These are the FedEx shipping. So the processing time, you have to choose one, and also you have to choose the country, the shipping services here, either FedEx. Now you'll be choosing free shipping or express shipping, everything, either USPS, DHL. So you can choose a lot of these shipping services. Now shipping is everywhere. That is where you need to choose the shipping services which will be able to ship everywhere. Add another location if you want. Now once you are done, you have to save as profile, shipping profile. If you want this one to be saved on your shipping profile, here is about identifying the quantity of the shipping and the amount you will be requiring to cost for every shipping. So you can apply simple policy here. Also choose, you can see success policy applied, or change the policy and also add your own policy as well. You can create a new policy one here and also be able to apply it. So once you have done it, what you need to do is that once you have filled out all this information, also you need to set how will be getting paid. Because you are selling, that means you need to be also setting how you'll be getting paid for the money that client paid on Etsy while purchasing your items, your artistic works. Then you need also to set up the bidding. This bidding will be also used to pay for this amount you have seen that will be paying for listing. Also this is very important, because as we have seen here, you will be paying 0.2 USD for listing. So this bidding will also be used to pay this amount for the item you sold. Also now you need to be coming here and also check for your shop security, including how your shop is protected, your authentication, so that no one will be able to access your shop. Once you are done, also you are done your steps, and also that is where you can get started also selling on Etsy as well. Thank you for watching this video. This is how you can use Etsy platform to be selling your artistic works, to be setting up your account and sell your artistic works, and also be able to make money from your artistic works. It is very easy because you can even sell pictures, you can sell photos of the artistic works you are able to do. Also, whatever potential you have, you can use it to be making money here as well. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel TV. If you have any suggestion or comment, leave it in a comment section.